Hi, Mrs. Purcell. My name is Daniel Lambert. Um, I study in Technologie Générale. It's been 2 years that I am in my program. A challenge in my program is that I have a lot of class per session, so it's really difficult to do all of the homeworks and study for the exam. Today I will present you uh, a website that's named Anico Eagle. That is a mining company. Um, as you can see, this is the website. So on their main page, it's the main idea of the company. You can scroll down to see the resuming of the company, their priorities, management, their mission, the governance. And if you want to know more about a subject, you just need to click on it. So learn more about Anico Eagle. You just need to click on it. Um, as you scroll down, this is the sub the subtitle of the main idea. So our strategy. If you want to go to about us, you just need to click on it, and that make you go to about us. Also, you can see on the left-handed of the sorry, on the left-hand side of the screen, you can see all the subject of the website. You just need to click on it if you want to see more about Anico example. About Anico Eagle, for an example, you go on it and you can see their strategy, and text that is related to the strategy is appear because it's linked. Um, Also, you can see on the top left corner of the screen, this is their logo of the company, Anico Eagle, and they put an eagle because it's the concept. Uh, you can see also on the website here, the little icon here is to minimize, that one is to maximize, that one is for close. This is the setting menu, the address bar is there, and this is the URL. That this is, yeah. If you copy and paste the URL in the taskbar and you press enter, that will lead you to this website. Also, if you want to refresh the page because you have a bug and you want to fix it, this is the button to to click. Um, I will present you a little bit the set of Anico Eagle. If you go on exploration, this is their, and you click on it. This is they explain their their project. So what they are doing right now on each of their site. Anico Eagle is worldwide. Is located in Canada and Europe. So uh, it's pretty spread into the world. As you can see, this is their strategy, and they got a lot of detail. Um, if you go on carrier, you can see you can see what you can have like a job. So carrier is they present their job. So if you work with Anico Eagle, their values, because value is important in all type of job. Values is important because it's what they represent them. So their value is trust, respect, equality, family, responsibility. So if you want to go work to for this company, you need to respect that because it's really important for them. Also, you can see the employee benefits if you click that bring you to it. So they say that are the best way to get to know Anico Eagle is their value and their culture. So as I have said, or their value is really important for them. So you need to respect them. And every day, over 17 employees help us to achieve our goal and pushing perspective and sustainable growth. So that's want to say that they got a lot of employee working for them, and they all respect their value, and it's like a big family for them. So if you want to learn more about my technique, that is technology in the role, that's what I will work later. Sorry, I will rephrase that phrase. If you want to learn more about my technique, that is technology in a role, you can go on this website Aniquigo because it's one of the company that I can work for. So it's really interesting if you want to learn more about mining or what I'm gonna do later. You got it's really diversify. So I hope that I help you to understand how to use my website and have a great night.